Hello guys, this is Rom Tips. Today I show you how to buy a SIM that will work in Cameroon. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me, and show you how to do it. Link and coupon will be in the description. Okay? Click on this link in description and open this website Royal Fly. Right, and this the best and number one service eSim. Okay. Get unlimited roaming data and click on this and write Cameroon. And click on this. Cameroon data eSim, high speed 4G, 5G data, no downloads or registration, keep your WhatsApp number, instant activation under 5 minutes, and this price 7 days, $28, and click on this 3 GB and these days validity 2 weeks, and click on this buy 2 SIM, discount this, buy 4 SIM, discount this, buy 6 SIM, discount this 25%. This best, very good. Right, and this position 1, 2 and 8K, and click on add to cart or buy it now. Now, and click on this and discount code, write ROM tips and click on apply. This order discount $6.18. Right, this is nice, it's very good. And click on Google Pay or write your email address and card number, date, security code, name of card, and select your country, first name, last name, address, postal code, city, and phone. And click on Pay Now. And that's all. You buy eSim. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me and show you how to do it. Bye bye.